If your Volvo throws the message saying SRS Airbag Service Urgent, it means there is a code or maybe several codes and control modules, meaning your safety system has lost communication with a certain component before you invest money in repair, which is probably not going to be very cheap. You should try several things. First of all, make sure that the 12-volt battery and also the auxiliary battery, if you have it, are healthy and don't drop voltage under load. Low batteries may create voltage anomalies, and modern cars will throw a set of random codes in various modules, so you need to make sure that the problem is not with the 12-volt battery, since it may be solved just by charging it properly. After that, you will want to look under the front seats and make sure all the connections are in place and don't look affected by water or anything else. It's quite a common problem of these connections to fail. You may disconnect them and look at the pins to make sure there is no corrosion or any other damage. These connectors may be affected if you spill something onto the seat, for example. Also, in the 2020 and 2021 model years, there were several recalls for the SRS system due to airbag disconnecting and also SRS module falling off its place in a lot of Volvo models. So before you pay for an inspection, you may check if your VIN is included in one of those recalls. Just use Volvo's official website in your country or the NHTSA website in the US for this. Other than that, there is nothing much you can do on your own. There are several common problems, including the SRS module getting fried for no reason, or the steering wheel airbag being disconnected due to wiring problems. These issues should only be inspected by qualified mechanics or in Volvo dealerships. Unfortunately, parts and labor are quite expensive, so you may want to get a second opinion before you agree to pay for repair.